In our last video, I had asked you one important question. Do you remember what it was? Are the two chromatids made up of similar DNA base pairs? As a matter of fact, yes they are. The two chromatids are referred to as sister chromatids. They have the same DNA base pair sequences. Now let us look at another chromosome made up of two sister chromatids. They are duplicates of each other and are therefore called homologous chromosomes. What does the term homologous mean? It means to have the same relative position and structure. What structure are we talking about here? Well, do you know what genes are? Segments of DNA are called genes. Each gene is located at a particular part of the DNA. We refer to this part as the locus of that particular gene. Every chromosome has several such loci of specific genes. The sister chromatids are formed after DNA replication and therefore have the same loci for all the genes. Their centromeres are also at the same place. When they duplicate, they join together and form this shape. Now both these chromosomes are identical and are called as homologous chromosomes. Now that you know what homologous chromosomes are, let us see how many chromosomes humans have. In all human bodies or somatic cells, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes. In this, the 22 pairs are autosomes, which means they are not sex chromosomes. As they are pairs of homologous chromosomes, they are also known as diploid chromosomes. Diploid means to have two complete sets of chromosomes. But the sex cells do not have two sets of complete chromosomes. They are therefore called as haploid. Diploid chromosomes are referred to as 2n, while haploid chromosomes are referred to as n. Why do we have half the total chromosome numbers in the sex cells? As we know, in sexual reproduction, both the parents contribute equally to the chromosomal numbers. After fertilization, the chromosome set of 23 chromosomes from each parent cell will combine together to form a 46 chromosomal cell. Now that you know the chromosomes in each cell, let us look at the idea of alleles in our next video.